In today's video, we are going to look at the top 5 best digital oscilloscopes available on the market. We researched the web and read lots of real user reviews before creating the digital oscilloscopes list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the digital oscilloscopes mentioned, be sure to check the description link. Subscribe to our channel. And press the bell button for more informative videos. Number 5, 3-in-1 digital oscilloscope with multimeter signal generator, perfect for electronics enthusiasts and engineers. This versatile tool combines an oscilloscope, multimeter, and signal generator. It features a 120 MHz bandwidth and a 250 MSA/s sampling rate, ensuring precise measurements for testing and debugging. The built-in 2500 mAh rechargeable lithium battery provides extended usage, while its compact design ensures portability. With its wide range of applications in electronics and an impressive 50% discount, this is a must-have for professionals and hobbyists. Originally priced at $183.66, it's now available for just $90.93, making it an incredible value for all your electronics needs. Number 4, ZOYI ZT703S, 3-in-1 oscilloscope multimeter. The ZOYI ZT703S is the ideal tool for engineers and hobbyists, offering a combination of oscilloscope, multimeter, and signal generator. With a real-time sampling rate of 280 MSA/s and 2 digital channels, it ensures accurate signal creation and comprehensive analysis. Its demountable battery enhances convenience and portability, making it a practical choice for on-the-go testing. Compact and user-friendly, it's a reliable companion for electronics enthusiasts. Available now at $72.77, down from $80.77, it provides excellent value for money with its cutting-edge features and functionality. Number 3, ZOYI ZT703S, 3-in-1 oscilloscope signal generator. The ZOYI ZT703S is an essential tool for electrical enthusiasts, combining a dual-channel oscilloscope and a multifunction signal generator. Its compact dimensions and lightweight design make it easy to carry and operate, while the user-friendly interface ensures seamless functionality. With precise measurement capabilities, this device is perfect for a variety of electronics tasks. Originally priced at $79.53, it's now available for just $72.03, offering a budget-friendly option for high-performance electronics testing and signal analysis. Number 2, DSO2512G, dual-channel oscilloscope with FFT. The DSO2512G is a versatile tool designed for precise signal analysis and waveform export. Featuring FFT spectrum analysis and USB export capabilities, it excels in high-speed signal acquisition and data processing. Whether for DIY projects, car maintenance, or professional testing, this dual-channel oscilloscope is perfect for a wide range of applications. With a massive 55% discount, it's now available for only $69.47, originally $154.94. Its advanced features and user-friendly design make it a top choice for anyone seeking accurate and efficient electronics testing solutions. Number 1, ANENG AOS02, Oscilloscope Multimeter in 1. The ANENG AOS02 is the ultimate tool for electronics enthusiasts and professionals. Featuring a 10 MHz bandwidth, it delivers clear waveform analysis with customizable brightness and shutdown settings for personalized use. Its demountable battery ensures extended operation, while waveform storage retains critical data for later review. Compact and reliable, This device is perfect for everyday electronics testing. With a remarkable 62% discount, it's now priced at just $46.25, down from $123.29, making it an unbeatable value for those seeking quality and affordability.